Hello everyone, this is class 7th maths, chapter 5, exercise 5b. So from this exercise, question number 2, full, all the parts. Question number 3, part 1 to 10, first 10 parts. Question number 4, full, 5 full and 6 full. All these parts are in your syllabus, so you can note it. And let's start with question number 2, evaluate. So the first question is 2 raised power 8 divided by 2 raised power 3. These questions we will do by using the laws of exponents that we have done in the previous video beta. So we have done in that video, if base is same, see both are having the same base. If base is same and numbers are dividing to each other, then we write the base once and we'll subtract the powers. Same we will do here. Write the base once, subtract the powers. You will get 2 raised power 5. And this can be solved further, as you know. How? We can write it 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. As I have told you, the power means the number will multiply that much times as it have the power. That number will multiply by itself that much times. So power is 5. We have written the 2 5 times. Multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. That is your answer. Next, same question. Base is same. They are dividing to each other. Write the base once and subtract the powers. So, what we will get? Which is the greater number? 8. And 8 is having the negative sign. So answer will be minus 5. So here one more property, one more law that we have discussed earlier in the previous video. If something is having negative power, we want to make it positive, then do its reciprocal. So it have the negative power. If we want to make it positive, we can do its reciprocal. It can be written like this, and now expand it. 2 into 2 into 2 like this. Now we can multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 is your answer. Sorry, 1 over 32. 1 भी तो था ऊपर. Next question. We have done this law also, that if something raised power 0, the answer is 1, provided the number should not be 0. तो number तो 0 है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. So 2 raised power 6, the whole power is 0. So answer is 1. Same here, we have done a power law also, that if two powers are coming together, this was a law, then we can multiply the powers. So we can multiply the powers here. That is 3 raised power 6 into 0 will be 0. So something raised power 0, answer is 1. Now fifth question. All the numbers are in multiplication. We have done this law. This was the first law. If the base is same and numbers are multiplying to each other, then we can write the base once and add the powers. So base is same, write the base once, now add the powers. See, we have to add the powers. Plus is the sign of formula, so we will write it first. Then minus 5 is the sign of 5. We will write it also. Plus 4. Bracket means multiplication. Two signs are multiplying to each other. Plus minus, minus 5 plus 4. These two are the positive numbers. Will add up. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 5. Which is the stronger team? 7. 7 sign is plus. It means answer will be in plus. 7 minus 5, 2. We can expand it. 8 into 8 is 8 8s are 64. See, next question. Two laws are coming together. First, both are dividing to each other, and next both are multiplying to each other, right? So what to do here? Firstly, I am going to pick these two numbers. They are in multiplication with each other and having the same base. Or no problem, we can pick all the three numbers, pick at one time. How? Write the base ones. These two are multiplying to each other. Base is same. Add the powers. And this is dividing to them. And same base, subtract the power. 4 plus 3 is 7 minus 5. That is 25. पहले हमने एक एक करके लॉ लगाना शुरू करा. यहाँ पे दोनों इकट्ठे आ गए एंड वी हैव अप्लाई द लॉज टुगेदर. नो प्रॉब्लम ना. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Again see, all are having the same base and multiplication or division is there. No problem, we will apply both the laws together. Write the base ones. Both are dividing to each other. It means powers will subtract. Write down 4 minus 3. Next is in multiplication with it. It means power will add. Four minus 3 1. 5 plus 1 is, ऐसे करो ना, 4 minus 3 is 1. So now we will expand it. So after multiplying you will get this answer. Next question is 4 is power 4 and they are dividing to each other in same base. See, two properties are coming together. Which two? Both the numbers are in division with each other and something raised power 0. Something raised power is 0 is what? 1. Yes. So write the base ones. Firstly we will solve it. That is 4 minus 3. Division है तो power subtract हो जाएंगी. Into something raised power 0 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1 into 1. 4 raised power 4 is 4. 4 into 1, 4. Right? The last part of this question is very easy. The whole power is 0. It means answer is 1. Whatever is written inside we don't know. We just know that power is 0. So full power is 0. It means answer is 0. We will apply the property, this one, right? So this is the answer. So with this we have completed a question number 2 of exercise 5B, which is very easy. Thank you.